Oh, you got in the nut hut. You did. I see you. The red squirrels are feisty. Oh, look, there's another one. There's 3 of them. Oh, look at that little fella. Hello. Oh, you little honey. Goodness sakes. Got a lot of red squirrels all of a sudden. Yeah. The feeders took quite a beating this winter, but they're still going. They may be crooked. They may be beat up. They may look like crap, but they're still upright, so. Well, good morning, Mr. Cardinal. Hello. Oh, look at this guy. The red squirrels are feisty. He didn't bother that gray squirrel. Oh, but they're so feisty and fast. I know, Mr. Blue Jay. Look him up there. He's in the water. Hmm? My bird bath is still working, even though it's beat up and stained. Look at that little guy. Oh my goodness. Everything's crooked. That's okay. They don't care. You guys don't care. Oh, how pretty is that cardinal? How pretty. Yep. Look at this little fella.